Hello friends, it's Cassie and welcome back to the Trinity Stamps channel. Today I'm going to be sharing the full release for the Holiday Happy Dance release. I will not only share with you each of the products, but then I'm going to share a project by one of our design team members afterwards. Our first stamp set is the Holiday Tag Helper stamp set. This is a 4x4. It has 10 stamps in it, and this is going to coordinate really nicely with some of the other products in this release. We've got Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Handmade with Love. We've got a little to from down here with a couple of lines. We have a gift for you, some stars, a heart, another to from, another to from, and another to from. Happy Dance is a 4x6 stamp set. This has one large image and then a few sentiments. We've got This Calls for a Happy Dance and Happy New Year, but this one's going to coordinate beautifully with lots of other products that are being released as well. We also have coordinating dies. I love that Trinity Stamps does the cutout for the words on a lot of their stamps. That's fabulous. And then we also have the cutout for the big stamp as well. We have several in this Simply Sentimental line, and this is the Simply Sentimental You. I am in love with these. These are great because not only do you have the big words for you, but you also have a bunch of supporting sentiments. There's 25 supporting sentiments. This is like a staple, and we also have the coordinating dies that will cut out the big words you. So I went ahead and showed you that we have them cut out just using the cutouts as well. So you could get this die set separately and it would work great, but it also works really well with the stamped images as well. Our next one in this Simply Sentimental is the Simply Sentimental Hello, and we've got several of the big hellos, but we also have 12 supporting word building images. So this one is another staple. The coordinating die could be used separately or, completely by itself or along with the stamp set. And I show you up here how it works, on its own, and then down here with our sentiments stamped out. Our next one is the Simply Sentimental Happy. This one has 30 stamps in all, 7 happy images, and then 23 supporting. Another staple once again. And then the coordinating die could be used completely on its own, but there are a couple in here that will only work with some of the stamped out ones. So I show you up here how it can work separately, and then down here all the ones it can cut out. Love these. Our final one in this Simply Sentimental line is the Simply Sentimental Thank You, or Thanks. And this one has 22 stamps. 10 of them are thanks or thank you, and then you have 12 supporting words. So again, another staple. I know I'll be using this one like crazy. And the coordinating die that can be purchased separately can obviously be used just as the die, or over here I show you all the different ones that it can die cut out once you've stamped them. I just love these so much. We have a bunch of standalone dies. This first one is our hanging ornament. So it is a slimline product, and this will cut out a full slimline that measures 3.5 by 8.5 inches. And then you have your little ornament piece. You've got 2 separate dies with this one, and so you could cut out the little string and then put the little over the top, and so these can be hung down like so. But isn't that cute? We also have the Slimline Tags, and I think this is fabulous. This one is another staple, it seems, because you've got all the different tags in here. This one has 9 pieces. The largest one will fit the full front of a slimline. If you make your slimlines about 3.5 by 8.5 inches, so that would take up the full. I mean, you could actually just make a slimline card. Wouldn't that be cool with it? And then they go down in size from there, but you also have the little tag reinforcers and a couple of small ones. So definitely good for gift giving or mixed media or you name it. Here we have the A7 Snowflake Frame. So it will cut out a frame. It does not cut out this centerpiece. It just cuts out the frame. If you wanted to cut out the centerpiece, that's where this one comes in, and it's nice and embossed. I love that. Then we have 3 snowflakes, and we have the word snow and missing you and much. So you could make the sentiments missing you snow much. Next up is our pillow box gift box. So it cuts out your full pillow box, and then there are several pieces to embellish or use separately even. We've got the coffee cup and all the little pieces that would go with the coffee cup and make it into a tag. We've got these like a little prim star and a prim heart. I think they're just fabulous. Next up is our Cheers paper piecing. It has 14 total dies. You can make your bottle and all the pieces to paper piece up a bottle very nicely. And then we also have 2 different types of glasses. We have the cork or the bottle top. And then we also have the word cheers with an exclamation point along with the shadow for it. We have the scripty New Year, so it says Happy New Year, but this is a great one because it has Happy Year and New. You could use these for all kinds of things, not just New Year, but absolutely for New Year. Then we have the bottle gift tag. This one's great. It can go over the top of bottles or use it somehow as a tag. And then we have several words in here. We've got hooray, we've got sip, cheers, we have from, we've got you, we've got thank, and we've got to, and then we have the shadow for all of those as well. This die is the Christmas tree cutout. It will cut out a negative die or a negative of the tree, or you could use those pieces and create a tree on a separate piece. So basically, whenever you cut out, you could almost get 2 cards out of that. It measures 5 inches by 2 5/8 when it's cut out. We have a couple of mini Slimline products. This one is the Disco Ball Mini Slimline, and this one measures 3 inches by 6 inches. So, and it'll cut out, making it look like it's a disco ball. Pretty cool. And then we have one more in that mini Slimline line, which measures 3 inches by 6 inches. This is the Celtic Twist. Now we have a holiday tag die. This one's great. This one has not only the tag, which would work really well with that stamp I showed you earlier, but it also has an outline of an ornament, and then we have the word joy. So this one will be great for all of those tags that you want to make. So you could put this on a card or obviously make tags. And the tag itself measures 4.5 inches by 2 inches. Now we'll move into a couple of stencils. We have this first one. This is the City Lights Layering Stencil, and this comes with 3 stencils. So you can make your city light or your cityscape, your skyline of your city, and then you've also got the lights that you can put on, and then one with fireworks. And you know, that's basically how it can look if you use it on a slimline. A lot of options. Our next one is the Pop Fizz stencil, and this one comes with all the negatives, but it is 2 stencils to make your bottles and your glasses and all the elements that you would need. This will coordinate really well with the Cheers die as well, but it, like I said, it also comes with all the negative pieces so that you could mask those down also. And last but not least, to the Trinity Stamps family is the Slimline collection of 9x4 mixed media paper. This comes with 20 sheets of paper. This is a high quality, thicker, it's 140 pound, and it's cold press. So on one side you have this really nice texture, and on the other side it's a little bit smoother. but this is going to be great for all of your mixed media projects. It can handle a good amount of water or sprays or anything that you might want to do with mixed media. And this will only be exclusively at Trinity Stamps. There you have it, the full release. We hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And we thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.